Is a tomato a vegetable or a fruit? I get asked that question sometimes. If you're a botanist, a tomato is a fruit. It's actually a true berry. But as a nutritionist, we consider them to be vegetables on the menu. Interestingly, until the 18th century, tomatoes were considered to be poisonous. And fortunately, we discovered that they're highly edible and they're very good for us. They're high in vitamins A and C and also potassium. They also are colored by a compound called lycopene. And lycopene has been shown to reduce our risk of certain types of diseases, including cancer. You can use tomatoes in a lot of different ways on your menus. So try to be a little versatile with how you use tomatoes. Try making gazpacho, which is a cool soup. Add slices of tomatoes to your pizza. And if you have too many tomatoes, consider canning them or making juice or freezing them. But always use research-tested recipes when you're doing any food preservation. I'm Dr. Julie, bringing the feel to your fork. Until next time.